Hi guys, so today I'm going to be playing Hunger Games. I'm new to the series, so put thumbs up if you like it. I know you maybe don't enjoy it, but please subscribe and enjoy Good Hunger Games. No, I'm just new, so maybe you should let me get better Hunger Games. Whoa, what's happening here? Whoa, please don't kill me. You guys are crazy, eh? See that? All crowded up there, trying to kill me. Guy's crazy. You know what equals that? That equals, death. Let's see if it can survive for quite a long time. You know, if you're not good, you don't survive. Oh man, people are gonna kill me. Coming after me. See these guys? It's crazy. Yes. You know, maybe I survive now because of a stone sword. Stone sword. Just burst! Die. No, die. No!